It's Sadie and Katie again, and we're going to help you go through the gas law lab. In today's lab, you'll be measuring the pressure of a trapped gas. First, you'll be going through the Vernier Lab Pro equipment again. You want to be sure that the pressure sensor is connected to channel 1 and that the temperature probe is connected to channel 2.
For this next part, we'll want to set up a hot water bath by putting 400 milliliters of water into a 600 milliliter beaker and placing it onto the hot plate. Now, while this water comes to a boil, you can go ahead and continue on with the other steps in your lab. Just be sure to turn on the hot plate.
We speak from experience. Prepare a room temperature bath as well in a 600 milliliter beaker with 400 milliliters of tap water. Then create your ice bath by filling up a 600 milliliter beaker with ice and then taking your 100 milliliter graduated cylinder and filling up 400 milliliters of 10% sodium chloride solution.
Next, you'll want to attach the pressure sensor to a rubber stopper and place that rubber stopper into a 125 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. Make sure that the gas valve is in the open position.
Now, be very careful and hold the Erlenmeyer flask clamp and the ring stand and place the flask into the hot water bath, making sure that the tubing does not touch the hot plate.
Next, you'll want to place your temperature probe into the hot water. Once the water boils and the temperature stabilizes, you'll want to click the collect button and close your gas valve.
Wait 5 minutes and then click keep.
Carefully then remove the probe and the flask from the hot water bath. Be sure to keep your valve closed. If the gas valve opens, you'll ruin your data.
Also, be sure that the rubber stopper does not become unplugged. Otherwise, you will have to start all over again.
And remember to turn off your hot plate.
You do not want anyone to be burned by your hot plate. Next, you want to place your Erlenmeyer flask into the room temperature bath and then into the ice water bath.
Then you'll want to save all your data to the desktop and print off copies for both you and your lab partner.
Now you can open the gas valve. Disconnect the pressure sensor from the tubing and the rubber stopper very carefully and return everything to the gas pressure sensor box, making sure that the equipment is dry. Then return all the computer hardware into the Vernier Lab Pro box.
Lastly, all that's left is to clean up and take care of all your water baths. And then after that, you should be good to go.
Good luck!